Hello guys, Silver, Game of Thrones, some new coins today. So last day I was looking into my collection and I will see what I have gaps, what I want to sell, what I want to complete. So this kind of, the lesson learned for me. So this is a, ongoing like update for my collection. So let's see what we have. So today we have 5 new coins. The first one is a Lunar. So this is a Lunar series, the pig. So there are a lot of Lunars, right? Everyone try to make Lunar. The Australia, the Britain. This is a Malaysia Lunar. And yeah, I like Lunar collections. This is a pig. Yeah. Very nice. And I believe I have 4 of them. You see I have 4 of them. So I have it started from 2015, which was a goat. Then it was a monkey, 2016. And then it was a rooster, 2017. And now 18 was a dog. It also 3 dogs, you see. Very nice. No, back and it's the same, Maybe last days they start to rebuild it, but it's the same. And then I have this pig. It's a beautiful coin, really beautiful. They're not in high demand like Australian Lunar, but still they're decent coins. And I bought it like $22 in US. So yeah, why not to have it? Complete my collection, You have collections that will be only grow in value. Only grow in value because everyone want to have all of them, right? These pigs are so nice. Really beautiful. Really cool pigs. 3 of them. Cool. So checking the weight. Yeah, nice. Okay, so this coming into capsule. And will be locked by capsule. Like this. I only use the guard house capsule. I show you one time, this capsule are the best. I highly recommend them. They're really tight and they're really high quality, okay? Don't go on cheap eBay. If you want, you get the best one. Okay, so now I have 5 of them. This is, as I said, this is Malaysia. Oh, sorry, not Malaysia. It's a New Zealand. Yeah, it's a New Zealand. Everyone makes this Lunar. This is in New Zealand. It's 3 pigs, yes. Mintage, they never mention mintage. Yeah, but the Lunars usually they don't mention mintage, and they are very popular coins, so they make it in big quantities. Okay, so next one, Equilibrium. This is very rare coin. I already have one, and I like to collect some rare coins. This is a 2018 I have. Tokelau. This is a new atoll in Pacific Ocean. It made by Pressburg Mint and makes this Equilibrium series. This was the first one in 2018. You see they talk about harmony. It had been a popular topic since the philosopher of ancient Asia who depicted its play with the yin-yang symbol. It's yin-yang symbol from Asia. Yin and yang. You see, yin and yang. $5. Very cool coin. And this one is 2019. And 2019 It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. And also you see kind of yin and yang, but it also talk about like they talk about responsible use of power of gene editing in order to safeguard a balance between the technological and the achievement and natural genetic code. You see, it kind of merging between what is around us with the technology. Yeah, and backend is also very interesting. You see a lot of dots with this lady in the middle, Elizabeth. Yeah, it's kind of interesting coin, and the mintage is only, first coin was 30,000, this is 20,000. Price is like $22, $23. I think it's not something unusual, but on high demand. But it will be a good buy. It will be a good buy. Everything what is below 20,000, it's a good buy, especially in 2-3 years. Okay, so I have two of them. So next one is Tokelau. This one is 2014 yellowfin tuna. I surprised that they still sell it. I bought it from Upmax, like $22. So I have 4 of them. You see, I have kind of interesting coins. They have 2 names. They have first name Hakula. It's like a native name, and then they have sailfish. The second name, it's English. Then second is Caro. Barracuda. Caro is a barracuda. The next one is Magotaguta. And this is leopard shark. You see? And back is the same, the Katerina. And next one is Fonu. Loggerhead. Yeah. And this one I bought 2014 to complete. So I still don't have 2015. I will be hunting for 2015. But this is 2014. The yellow fin tuna. Okay? So I have 2 more coins. This one I grab because it's a good buy. That's a good buy. I'm telling you right away. That's a good buy. This is, you see, just look on this, capsule. They make it like, it's already come in capsule. They make it very, like empty inside. And this is Republic of China, or Hana, the silver woolly mammoth. So you see how interesting is this? They have all these animals which will be produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I believe, and they start from mammoths, and this is the first one in series, and the mintage is like 15,000. It's a good buy. I'm telling you right away, it's a good buy. You will in 1-2 years you will have double money if you want to sell. So usually I don't start new collection last days, but this is a to start new collection. And a backend is also nice. Republic of China. 5 cities. Beautiful coin, really. Okay, and the last one I have, it is just a round, okay, in Israel round, Jerusalem. It's a beautiful round. I was saying, okay, I collect rounds, like price $20, up to $20, I collect rounds. I have like 50 rounds. Okay, guys, that's what it. Please subscribe, push your bell, and make your comments if you like it or not. Silver, Game of Thrones.